OpenAI, the developer of GPT, is enabling its paying customers to customize the ChatGPT chatbot to their own specifications. These bots will now be called GPTs. Large customers can reserve them for internal use. Individual versions created by smaller customers will appear in a kind of online store, where they can be used by other ChatGPT subscribers. If this happens frequently, the creator will be financially rewarded for their ChatGPT bot. Programming knowledge is not explicitly required. The adjustments are made in a conversational style directly with ChatGPT. Creators can feed their GPTs with additional information, as well as specify what the adapted bot should be able to do. For example, search the internet, analyze certain datasets, or generate images. Additionally, creators can grant their GPTs access to data through their own programming interfaces. This was announced by GPT developer OpenAI on Monday. As part of its first developer conference, OpenAI Dev Day, OpenAI also presents its GPT-4 Turbo at the conference. GPT Store coming soon, starting immediately. GPT Plus subscribers can get creative and make their adapted ChatGPT bot publicity available. Large customers with a subscription to ChatGPT Enterprise are allowed to build GPTs for internal use starting Wednesday. The GPT Store is scheduled to open in November, where any subscribers can search for GPTs and then use them. The store is inspired in various ways by well-known app stores. There will be lists of particularly popular bots, and OpenAI will also manually showcase GPTs in certain categories. GPTs for adult entertainment, as well as those that incite hate or support fraud, are not allowed. OpenAI has not yet released details of the financial compensation. The company promises its enterprise subscribers that it will not use any data generated during the internal use of the GPTs. Enterprise customers, administrators can also determine whether their employees are allowed to use external GPTs at work or not. By GPTs, the reason for the new offer is, on the one hand, that some users have developed their own command sets for ChatGPT that contain detailed instructions. They use these prompts over and over again. This work can be simplified by using self-customized GPTs. On the other hand, OpenAI is confident that it does not have all the wisdom. The best ideas for chatbots would later come from the masses of users. According to the company, ChatGPT now has 100 million users per week. In addition, there are more than 2 million external developers. Let's see where we are in a year. If things continue to develop like last year, then it will be a huge leap. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!